Hi, welcome to my video. After a long and unusually cold winter here in Virginia, we finally had an almost perfect spring day. So we decided to visit the park near our home, Burke Lake Park. My husband took a peaceful walk on a wooded trail while I enjoyed a ride on my electric bike on the regular trail. We met up on a quiet bench overlooking the lake, soaking up the fresh spring air and sunshine. On my bike ride home, I tried out my new Insta360 GO 3S camera for the first time, learning how to use it, but capturing the beautiful day. Watch to the end of the video to see how that worked out. So come along for the relaxing spring escape right in our own backyard in Virginia, and thanks for watching.
Take a ride through the world outside with dead hicks, critters, and a whole lot more. There's so much to explore, lakes to see and paths to walk. The world would be beautiful if only you imagine. Animals can talk in small ways. They do. They are creatures great and small, made by God and endowed with love, crawling in their nature. Dreams toward the sky, they come alive in their space and time. Watch the world with me while we're all alive. A prayer in a heart to see the world outside. Crawling in their nature, dreams toward the sky, they come alive in their space and time. Watch the world with me while we're all alive. A prayer in a heart to see the world outside. In a heart to see the world outside.
Sitting on the bench at the lake on a beautiful day. Just rode my bike and learning how to use this new camera. And here's my bike and the lake. And I just rode his electric bike, which I love. Haven't ridden in a while because of the bad winter, and it's a nice spring day, so time to get out and about again. This is the lake at the dam, Burke Lake Park in Virginia. It's windy, but it feels good. It's about 80 degrees today. Here's my bike and my hubby, and he walked and I rode my bike. I love my bike. It's an electric bike. Okay, we're on our way back home now. I didn't get the trip coming here because I'm learning how to use this camera. But I'm at the dam at Burke Lake Park. Not many people out here, but it's a very pretty day. Beautiful sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo-dah. Oh well. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. Here we go on a wonderful day. Gonna go around the corner here. I'm leaving the park, and I'll be heading back into my neighborhood where I live. And down the hill. Hello. Whoops. Okay. Top of the hill. don't have my watch set to record my exercise. Put that back on. I think it's about a mile from my house to this point. Okay, here we go. It's been a long time since I've ridden my bike because the winter was so bad here. So it's nice to get out again. About 80 degrees. Let me stop for a second. That's sure. Yep, everything's good in there. I got a big hill to go down. For the younger people, it's not a problem, but for me, it's a little scary on this. So I take it really slow. Okay, you see the sign? It says descent. Okay, brakes, you better work. Oh, I can hear them. Almost to the bottom. Okay, I don't know why it's making that sound. We did it. Off we go. Off we go. Oop. Hello. Okay, now I've got a couple little bridges to cross to get back to where I go. This one's they just redid this one a few years ago. I think they made the side of it too high though, so I can't look at the water too good. Took my view away. Coming up would be a really pretty backyard in the springtime. Okay, it's right here on the left. Some pretty spring flowers. Looks like maybe some rhododendron up there on the hill blooming. And pansies. Not sure what all is. I like the purple flowers. I bet it was pretty when the daffodils were blooming. I like the purple ones coming up. I hope they're visible in this camera. Okay, here we go again. Some pretty azaleas blooming up there. On the hill. Hello. There we go. I turn to get back to where I live. I love all this wilderness right next to where I live. A little bridge over the stream. It's pretty though. Sometimes we see deer in there. Okay. I go. How to get out of here. Thank goodness I have an electric bike because it's all uphill now. I'm not good on hills. It's nice and cool today, even though it's 80 degrees, it feels great. Here's the little hill. This be nothing for younger people. Oh, goodness. Here we go. I know we can do it. We can do it. Here we go. Big hill, big hill, big hill. We did it. Okay, made it home. It was so nice to be out today. Thanks for coming with me to see how this camera works. I hope it worked okay. Thanks for watching. Here's the camera I used today on my bike ride, and that little piece comes out and it fits on a pendant that I wear. So maybe next time I should raise it up a little bit. I think it showed too much of the handlebars, so it was just trial and error today. But it seems like a pretty good camera. I forgot to say I really like how this camera, because it's so small and it seems pretty easy to use. So hopefully it'll work out good. Insta360 GO 3S. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.